Yes, we're having breakfast. Just besties doing their thing. Cat and the dog are eating dog food. Morning, Lila. Morning, Boop Boops. Say hey, Boop Boops. Sweet baby, hey. Don't judge my outfit. I'm comfy today. You live out in the woods. If you put your trash outside, your trash gets eaten by cats, buzzards, crows, all of the above. Next, I'll hold you over. My breakfast. Cheers. Encanto day. It's Isabella, put to bed with all her other stuffies. Lila's going potty, but also, do y'all see that crane? Literally beautiful.